Hey friends, my name is Veer and welcome back to my channel Dynamic Veer, and today we are going to learn Google Apps. Let's get started. So there are many Google Apps such as Google Jamboard, Google Meet, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Slides, Drive. There are so many. So today we are going to learn Jamboard, which I feel is the best teaching experience whiteboard. So Google Jamboard and Google Meet is there. So you can follow me on social media. I upload there. So first of all, to use it, we have to go to jamboard.google.com. The links will be in the description box and even the social media links. So first we have to click on plus. So you will need a Google account, and the links to make a Google account will be there in the description box below. So this is the main page where we make stuff. So here you can select a pen, like it should be a highlighter, marker or a brush. So let's say we want to draw, let me just draw V, dynamic V, yeah, you get it, the theme. Not like, yeah, so we can erase, select. So this is a sticky note. So for example, if your teacher 1 plus, wait, this is what, okay. Or if you want to say that 1 plus 1 equals to 2 or something, this is just an example. You can write anything. Like this is saved as a note. You can keep it anywhere and you can save it, delete it. This is a sticky note option. So now we can even insert an image from your device, Google Image Search, Google Drive, photos, many options. For example, let me just show you your Jamboard as like, let's just search it. These are some options of images. Let's just take this Google Jamboard official image, I don't know. This is just the image of Google Jamboard. So yeah, so we can just delete that image, duplicate it, send it backward, send it forward, and we can make a circle, square, whatever you like. Like this is a circle, square, triangle, like whatever you want you can make it, half circle. And you can insert a text box like anywhere, literally. You can select the text color, the paragraphs, and like that. So you can just type your like, let's say something. We can edit it. Yeah, let me just edit it. Let's say dynamic read. Then I can say write something in blue. Yeah. You can say change the new color, like now I want it to write something, let's say red, and now like we can just change the color over. I'm just trying to say that. Laser pointer, yeah, that's cool actually. So let me just show you all the other options. Marker, highlighter, like for example you want to highlight the Jamboard thing, you can highlight it. You can erase stuff, undo, redo, all the normal options which you will get in other platforms. You can even like zoom in, zoom out, whatever you like. Like there are even shortcuts for that. These are the list of shortcuts which are there. You can even change the background. I like this feature, background, and that overall, so you can change the color to blue, black. Then it gives you some options like this, many kind of basic backgrounds. You can clear the whole frame. You can download as image, rename it, same frame as image, remove, make a copy. Like so many options. I would like it. So we can share it to others, keep it that only some people can get access to it, and like that. Many options. Yeah, as you can see, like that. You can even add another page, like if you want to show like that. And even two people can do it together. You can share it to someone else and the live update will go to each other, and like that. It can be used as a drawing board also, or a time. You can like spend your time through this, and many options here. So this was of Jamboard. So here let me just create an instant meeting. Google Meet links will be there in the description box below. Let's just say this is just a meeting ID and that. The basic Google Meet configuration or whatever. So here I can share my screen. Let me just turn off my mic. So here I can share my screen, Google Meet ka like the regular layout, share it. So the people can all see this live and like that. So there are like many options here. So I like this feature of Google Meet, and there are many, like recently they even have this change layout thing. Recently they can like change the tile size, like we can change the layout. For example, this we can change the tile size. So like recently Google Meet has many updates are also there, the chat and everything. So this video is not on Google Meet, so I'm not talking more about it. So this was all about Jamboard, and I hope you like this video. Yeah, we can share and do everything. Please check out the description box below and follow me on social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and Google Slides video will be releasing a few days after, so please stay tuned. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share if you like my videos. I hope. Bye. Namaste. Jai Hind. Stay home, stay safe.